Listen, I'm just here to say, Joe, I know you're listening. More of this. A pair I can get. I don't have to break my neck over, jump through all of these hoops and ladders. Enjoy a quality, well-executed collaboration that goes perfectly with my style. And yeah, they're still available if you want a pair. All right, my guess is I hope he's listening and we get more drops like this, but we gotta shoot an unbox. Let's go. Regardless of the colorway, you get a pink box for the Joe Freshgoods and Vans Honeymoon Stage collaboration. So as you can see, everything happens for a reason, and I hope that means we see a lot more from Vans and Joe together. So this is the OG style 36 LX, and if you didn't know, that's what the original old school was actually called. I already swapped out my laces, but you will get additional laces with these. We have the checkerboard design, except now it has a JFG remix. Amazing suede and leather quality on this pair that really elevates the old school model.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ, back another video on Talks with TJ, and that's right, it's a Joe Freshgoods Vans collaboration, the honeymoon stage. And if you're an adult that's gone through any relationship, you know that doesn't last long. It's actually pretty fleeting, like extremely fleeting. However, it's not when it comes to the love of shoes, the love of a brand new pair in your collection. I'm just gonna be honest with you, that probably will last longer than the honeymoon stage for a lot of people. It's just human nature. Don't feel bad about it. One thing you know that won't disappoint is a brand new quality pair in your closet. And that's right, that's exactly what you get with this brand new Vans. Now, I know some people are not fans of the 36 LX. I 100% respect that. So if this wasn't a model you like from Vans and in their collection and array of lower profile sneakers, then fine. But for some, I think it's okay to admit it's not the hottest kid on the block right now, the new girl walking in, grabbing everyone's attention. That's right, I'm talking about New Balance. So therefore, a lot of people didn't even go for these because they saw the secondary market. There's not a lot of hype behind it because New Balance has captured everyone's attention, especially when it comes to JFG. But, you know, it's okay. It's okay. I respect if you didn't go for it for that reason. I mean, it's a little surface, but hey. All things being said, those who really wanted these shoes, they were able to get them. If you're a fan of Vans, if you are a fan of JFG, this was the perfect opportunity to go ahead and support him. And with the 3 different colorways available, you had options available. You had options. Now, I really love the red pair, and I've fought this entire time to not reach back for the red pair. I'm trying to do better, okay? Just, whew, I really am. I'm working to do better. July was also abundant with adding pairs to my collection. 3 of those sneakers were based on a bonus. Just gonna throw that out there. So I have 2 more to go ahead and unbox very soon here. Actually, is it 2? Is it 3? I'm not really sure. Just know there are pairs coming to the collection, or in the collection coming to the channel very soon. But whether it was red, whether it was pink, whether it was khaki. Now, khaki is actually a very interesting color because it's not really, I'm still wearing them. It's not really like what you think of as khaki. Think of more like a peach color, if that makes sense. You know what? Matter of fact, you can take a look at the on foot that will lead directly into styling 3 different ways. To be fair, when you think of all-day comfort, you probably don't think of a Vans model, to be fair and honest, but this is still comfortable for me to wear for an extended period of time. Now, I'm not going to do any crazy amount of walking or anything, but it still works. I went true to size, which is a 6. That's what I get in all of my Vans, or at least I try to. Sometimes I might have to go up to a 6.5, but for this model, the OG style 36 LX, I went with the actual 6. The celebration is still going strong for the Golden State Warriors. That's right, my Grace Court 2011 draft class for Klay Thompson. I know you see it. And yes, we have the distressed khaki shorts on. Goes perfectly with the actual Vans. But yeah, also the shoes coordinate with his skin tone. Don't judge me. And I'm rocking my championship hat. You know this hat continues to stay in rotation since it arrived and we won the ship. For the second look, let's tone it down some. Let's actually just go classic. Most of you have a darker pair of denim in your closet. I know you may not like to wear jeans anymore with everything that's happened in the last 2 years, but threw on darker denim, a white tank top, and an olive green overshirt. It works, it contrasts really well, and complements the actual khaki colorway of the Vans Joe Freshgoods collaboration. So yeah, this is easy. This takes like very little effort, and the top is from H&M if you're wondering. So we went super laid back, we went somewhere, maybe I'm going out to lunch with friends, and now this is going out to brunch. This is taking it up a notch because we have the signature GG Pip wide fedora hat. I have on the H&M longer style blazer or overcoat, whichever you would like to say, in the dark tan colorway, and then my alpha forward shirt in that nice wine. And yeah, I'm wearing skinnier fit faux leather pants. You know, like I said, this is perfect for brunch. Now, one thing I want you to take away from this, outside of Klay Thompson being bright and bold on my shirt, okay? And don't judge me, but yes, okay, the actual pair coordinates well with that shirt based on his skin tone. I said exactly what I said, okay? Light skins have taken over the entire summer. Y'all just gonna have to deal with it. But aside from that, aside from the Klay Thompson draft day shirt, when it comes to that Easter egg Joe dropped about this really being the honeymoon stage, so we should expect more. Like, we should expect more, a deeper relationship, a deeper bond with him and Vans. And I'm all for it because, for one, I hope they're easier to get, like right now. But two, I think it allows the opportunity for those that are interested in supporting Joe. There isn't this same fight for a Vans collaboration as a New Balance or a Nike or Jordan or Adidas or anything else that you see on the market. And I think you have to respect that and cheer for consumers that are able to have a great experience. So, I mean, listen, there's not a whole lot that needs to be said. I'm excited to see what else he does with Vans and also New Balance in the future. We just understand there's a different experience when it comes to trying to get a New Balance pair versus trying to get a Vans pair. But if the market is good for you right now in terms of your size and the style and colorway you want, why not go ahead and reach back? I mean, listen, that 9060 is amazing. And just when it comes to, I would say New Balance on its own, I still have the protection pack pairs in my mind, a few colorways. So we'll see what hits the collection soon. But I really appreciate you guys tuning in for this video. If you picked up a pair, go ahead and comment below your thoughts. The suede on these is just, I really appreciate it. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.